Okay, for this video we're going to show you how to add a location to your model, um, take make it a movie to show the model on the property from different views. So we've already kind of made our model here, as you can see. If you need some help on basics of modeling, I will post a link for the previous video we did that shows you kind of how to model. But here this is actually a project we're doing with a salt building that's sitting on some T-panels that we have modeled out. So we're going to go ahead and take this model, add a location. So to do that, we are going to hit this button here, which is add location. Type in your address, hit search. You'll find your site. Here's the site that this is going at, and we are going to select a region. Here you'll see this region. You'll see some crosshairs here in the middle. Crosshairs represent the origin of the model, so we're going to want to put this as close as possible to the actual area where it is going. You'll have to move it less in your model later the closer you get this. So for this building is going to go even with this building and about to where that shadow is located at now. So we're going to go ahead and hit grab, and it is going to import the building into the model. Now you see here that I have not modeled it in the correct direction, so we're going to flip this building around real quick. I'm going to go ahead and hit Control A to select the whole building, and then you're going to use the rotate button. Ask you where you want to rotate it. Rotate it from here. Do 180 degrees. Which it looks like. We're going to move it real quick from this corner. Bring this corner to the origin here. Now we should have the building in the correct alignment, and once you have that ready, now you're ready to add your animation where you're gonna show the project. I like to give a nice aerial view showing the site location. So you start off kind of as a top view, and what we're gonna do is add scenes. This is going to get your view here, so we'll go to simply view, animation, add scene, and then you want to move to your next view that you want to show. So I'm going to move to more of a corner view showing this side. So we're going to go view, animation, add scene. Let's just move on around the project. View, animation, add scene. The front side here. View, animation, add scene. The last corner. View, animation, add scene. And then let's go ahead and give them an interior view. So I'm going to show you a trick here that's easy to get your camera in the right position. There is a option under camera called position camera. You'll see it brings up a little guy, and it's going to put you on a ground perspective wherever you drop this little guy. So we're going to drop him right in the middle of the door here. See, it moves to a ground perspective, and it's good for showing the inside so you don't have to mess around with your camera a lot. So let's go ahead and show a view of the back wall, add scene. Then Under camera, if you click look around, you'll see this little eyeball comes up, and it keeps you in the same position, but you can look left and right. So let's go ahead and do one looking left. View, animation, add scene. Let's go ahead and look to the right. View, animation, add scene. Then if you want to exit this, hit exit. I'm going to use the view all. Let's go ahead and get one more clip of the whole project from the top here. View, animation, add scene. And now if you want to see what you've made, you can click in between scenes up at the top here, or right click. You can hit play animation. You'll see it's going to go from scene 1 to scene 2, and you'll see it flies by in between, adding the in between your scenes. And now if you want to stop this right here and you want to modify like a certain scene, if you right click, if you stop or bring up your scene, like if you want to edit scene 7, say you want it to show more of some other way, at some other location, you can adjust it to whatever the right view is. Right click on the scene and hit update, and it will automatically save it to your new selection. So once you get this all done, you can export this to a movie file that you can then upload to YouTube and share with a link in an email. So we're going to export, then go to animation as a video, and you'll see it'll ask you where you want to save it, and start going here. It does take a little time to compile, so I'm going to pause it while it compiles, and when it comes back I'll kind of show you our finished product. Okay, so that's done compiling. Now here's our finished product. You have a movie file that is going to play. This is what it'll look like once you review it and you like it. You're going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube, where you'll have a link and you can share it with your customer. So once you open YouTube here, you sign in, you go to this upload button, then all you have to do is drag and drop your video file that you've made. You see it's uploading here. Give it a name, so you can call it salt storage building. Give it a short description. You can add your website, a phone number, and any other tags you want. So fabric, building, salt, storage. Put Spantek on here. And once you're done, you'll see here this is the link it'll be live at. After that's done, hit publish. Now here's a link you can share with an email or do whatever you need with. Hope you found this informative. Thanks.